How to connect wires in a thermostat, a step-by-step guide. Hey there, do-it-yourself enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to connect wires in a thermostat. This is a crucial skill for anyone looking to install or replace a thermostat in their home. So, let's dive right in. Before we begin, please remember that working with electrical wiring can be dangerous. Always turn off the power to your HVAC system before attempting any work. If you're unsure about any part of this process, it's best to consult a professional. First, let's gather the tools and materials you'll need for this project. You'll need a screwdriver, wire stripper, needle nose pliers, and a voltage tester. You'll also need your new thermostat and its instruction manual. Next, remove the old thermostat from the wall. Be sure to take a photo of the existing wiring connections for reference later. Then, carefully disconnect the wires from the old thermostat. Step 3 inches now. Let's identify and label the wires. Common wire colors and their functions are as follows. Now, let's identify and label the wires. Common wire colors and their functions are as follows. Red, R, power, white, W, heating, yellow, Y, cooling, green, G, fan, blue or black, C. Common wire. Keep in mind that wire colors may vary, so always refer to your thermostat's instruction manual for specific guidance. Keep in mind that wire colors may vary, so always refer to your thermostat's instruction manual for specific guidance. Step 4. Connect the wires to the new thermostat. With the wires labeled, it's time to connect them to the new thermostat. Follow the instruction manual to attach each wire to its corresponding terminal. Make sure the connections are secure and the wires are not touching each other. Once the wires are connected, mount the new thermostat on the wall. Be sure to follow the manufacturer's instructions for proper installation. Turn the power back on and test. Finally, turn the power back on to your HVAC system and test the new thermostat. Make sure the heating, cooling, and fan functions are all working correctly. Subscribe to our channel and watch our playlist.